We're supposed to convert the equation from an exponential or an e-based equation to something else, and that we actually have to find that b. And so we need to figure out what this is going to be. So let's go ahead and go about it. Now, I think it's pretty clear to see that this 290 here is going to be the a. And that's what this student did for the 290. But for our e to the negative 0.27 t, if you look at this as e to the negative 0.27 times, I should say, remember our exponent rules. If you have a to the m to the n, that's a to the m n. So you could treat this as e to the negative 0.27 t, a equals e to the negative 0.27 to the t power. And if you look at this expression here, e to the negative 0.27 is our 0.763379494333, I'm out of space. But that's where this comes from. This is our e to the negative 0.27. Now let's continue on here. We have the value of an investment increases at 7.1% per year. If the initial investment is $4,400, give the function that gives the value of the investment after t years. Use the form amount equals 1 plus r to the t. And so you get your 4,400 plus 1 plus 0.071 to the t. Okay, that makes sense. So now it says convert the function to the form a of t equals a e to the rt. I believe it's supposed to be a of t equals a naught e to the rt, like that. And so the question is, I'm going to say this, our a naught is still the same, so it's still going to be 4,400. And then it's going to be e to the something times t. So if we're looking at this 1 plus 0.071 to the t power, how can we express this part right here? So that's 1.071 to the t power. So if you think about this, 1.071 is supposed to be e to the r. So our goal is to find out what r is. Now if we were to take the natural log of both sides, so let me write a new line, sorry, being lazy here. If we were to write natural log of e to the r equals natural log 1.071, the natural log of the e cancel. So the r would be the natural log of 1.071, which is approximately 0.0685927,915. It says round to 4 decimal places. And this is an example where they actually did it, because I've seen so many where they didn't. 0.0686 is what the r is going to be. So our formula would be a of t, the amount of time t, is that initial amount times e to the 0.0686 times t. And this is what they're after. Okay, hope that helps.